Hey everyone! Did you know that drawing a serene moonlit lake can help improve your artistic skills and bring tranquility to your day? It's true. There's something magical about capturing the stillness of water under the moonlight. So, if you're ready to dive into this creative journey, let's get started. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to draw a beautiful moonlit lake step by step. This is perfect for beginners who are looking to enhance their drawing techniques and explore new styles. Grab your pencils, and let's unleash our inner artists together. Challenge. Now, let's talk about a common challenge many aspiring artists face. Capturing reflections in the subtle play of light on water surfaces can be tricky. It's crucial for creating a realistic lake scene, but it can also be quite frustrating. You might find yourself wondering how to make those reflections look natural or how to depict the shimmering light that dances on the water. Don't worry. You're not alone, and today, we'll tackle these challenges head-on, one step at a time. Exploration/development. Alright, let's break down the drawing process into manageable steps. First, we'll start by sketching the outline of the lake. Don't stress if it doesn't look perfect right away, this is just the foundation. Next, we'll create the moon, yes, that glowing beauty in the night sky. After we've got our moon in place, we'll focus on adding those essential reflections on the water. This is where the magic happens. Lastly, we'll add some surrounding trees to frame the scene and give it depth. Throughout this process, I'll share tips and techniques to help you make your drawing come to life. Climax/key moment. Now comes the highlight of the tutorial. It's time to add the final touches that will really bring the moonlight reflections to life. This is where you can experiment with shading and blending to enhance the glow of the moon and the shimmering water. You'll see how those little details can make a huge difference. Trust me, when you step back and look at your drawing, you're going to be amazed at what you've created. Conclusion/summary, and there you have it. We've successfully created a moonlit lake drawing, mastering key techniques that you can apply to future artworks. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try this out again or even experiment with different colors and styles. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear how your drawing turned out. And don't forget to check out my other drawing videos for more tips and inspiration. Happy drawing, and see you next time.